Here are the tools that you'll need to help you install your ceiling fan. You may also need a drill with a 9/64 bit. You'll also need a ladder to help you access the higher areas. Lay all of your parts on the table in front of you to ensure you have everything. Next, we're going to attach the ceiling plate to the ceiling. Thread the wires through the ceiling plate. Now use the hardware provided to attach the ceiling plate to the electrical box. Tighten the screws, but do not over-tighten. Next, you'll be removing the shipping blocks from the bottom of the motor housing. Save these screws. This would be a great time to have someone help you install the grommets on the blades. Next, you're going to attach the downrod and canopy assembly to the top of the ceiling. Pass the wires through the canopy and the trim ring if one is provided. Now feed the wires through the downrod on one side of the pin. Turn the downrod ball assembly to the right until tightened, and install the set screw. Use a pair of pliers to make sure the set screw is firmly attached. Depending on the length of the downrod used, use a pair of wire strippers to cut the wires to the appropriate length, leaving 8 inches above the downrod ball. Next, strip the wires at about 1/4 inch. Next, take the fan housing with a downrod ball attachment and hang from the 2 hooks that are on the ceiling plate that you just hung from the electrical box. Next, you'll be wiring the fan. Find the appropriate color wires and secure them together with wire connectors. Once complete, push the wires back up into the electrical box. Swing the canopy up and secure with the screws provided. Once the screws are secure, firmly attach the trim ring and snaps into place. Now rotate the fan housing so that the notch in the downrod ball lines up with the ceiling plate. Next, you need to choose which side blade you'd like to have facing down. Now you'll be installing the blade iron onto the blade. Pass the screws through the blade and screw into the blade iron on the other side. Next, you'll be attaching blades to the bottom of the motor housing. Insert 1 screw into the space provided and firmly attach it to the fan housing. Take the second screw and attach the other side of the blade arm to the fan motor. Next, you'll be installing the upper switch housing. You pre-install 2 screws using the keyhole slots to align. Next, the lower switch housing. Align the colors to correctly attach the 9-pin. Then press the lower switch housing firmly into the upper switch housing and attach using the 3 screws provided. Now install your 2 light bulbs. Thread the pull chain through the glass and align it with the bottom of the fitter. Now do the same with the cap. And secure the glass and cap with the finial. Now restore power via your breaker and your fan should be operational. Use the pull chains to change the light and fan speed settings.